They told us health was six-pack abs and green smoothies. They sold us detox teas, extreme diets, and 90-day workout plans. But here's the truth they don't promote on social media. This is what healthy actually looks like. No filters, no extremes, no shame. Because real health isn't always picture perfect. It's not about what you look like, it's about how you feel, how you live, and how kind you are to yourself through the process. Let me walk you through what being truly healthy has come to mean for me, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. And if you're someone who's ever felt like you weren't healthy enough, or if you've ever felt like you were doing everything right but still falling short, this message is for you. And before we dive deeper, if any part of this already speaks to you, take a second to like this video, subscribe for more real wellness content, and drop a comment with where you are in your health journey. 1. Real health is flexible, not rigid. The healthiest I've ever been didn't come from following a perfect meal plan. It came when I stopped labeling foods as good or bad and started asking, what actually makes me feel nourished? Sometimes that meant a big colorful salad. Other times it meant warm bread and butter at dinner with friends. And both were okay. Because health isn't about fear, it's about freedom. If your plan doesn't allow you to live your life, it's not healthy. If it makes you feel anxious about missing one workout, it's not sustainable. Real health leaves room for flexibility, rest, joy, and spontaneity. 2. Real health includes rest. We glorify hustle. We wear burnout like a badge. But the truth is, your body needs sleep more than it needs that extra cardio session. The healthier I've become, the more I've realized the importance of slowing down. Some days, movement looks like a walk with a podcast. Other days, it's stretching before bed. And sometimes, it's doing absolutely nothing, and not feeling guilty for it. Rest isn't laziness, it's necessary. It's where recovery happens. It's where stress is reduced. It's where healing begins. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people find this kind of honest content. 3. Real health doesn't mean perfect motivation, it means supportive systems. I used to wait until I felt motivated to be healthy. But that's not how it works. Motivation fades, life gets busy, moods change. What works is creating simple, low-effort habits that support your well-being on the days you don't feel like showing up. A bottle of water on your nightstand. 5 minutes of journaling before checking your phone. A reminder to breathe deeply once an hour. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be consistent. 4. Real health values mental wellness just as much as physical wellness. You can eat all the kale in the world and still be miserable. You can go to the gym every day and still hate your reflection. What changed everything for me was learning to speak kindly to myself. To notice my inner dialogue. To question the voice that told me I wasn't doing enough, wasn't disciplined enough, wasn't thin enough. That voice? It wasn't mine. It was borrowed from years of societal messaging, comparison, and shame. When I finally prioritized my mental well-being, everything else began to fall into place. I made healthier choices, not out of guilt, but out of self-respect. 5. Real health doesn't look the same for everyone. There is no one-size-fits-all routine. No magic morning routine. No must-have supplements. What's healthy for one person may not work for you, and that's okay. Some people thrive on structure. Others need flexibility. Some enjoy intense workouts. Others need gentler movement. The key is listening. Listening to your body. To your energy levels. To your emotional needs. To your seasons of life. You're allowed to change. You're allowed to pivot. You're allowed to redefine what health looks like for you, over and over again. 6. Real health is not about perfection. I used to think I had to get it all right, all the time. One skipped workout meant failure. One cookie meant I'd ruined everything. But that's not health, that's obsession. True health is forgiving yourself. It's showing up again without punishment. It's understanding that the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to feel good, long term. And speaking of long term, if this video resonates, take a moment to subscribe and join our community. We talk about the real stuff here. No pressure, no perfection, just progress. 7. Real health is joyful. Yes, joyful. It's laughter. It's dancing in your kitchen. It's meals shared with people you love. It's moving your body in a way that feels fun, not forced. If your wellness routine is robbing you of joy, it's time to reevaluate. Because at the end of the day, health is a tool, not a trophy. It's what helps you live more fully, not what defines your worth. This is what healthy actually looks like. Messy, flexible, compassionate, ever-evolving. Rooted in self-respect, not shame. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. You don't need to be perfect to be well. You just need to begin one small, kind choice at a time. So if you're still with me, drop a comment below with the word real, so I know you're someone who's ready to embrace health without filters or extremes. And remember to like, subscribe this channel, and share this with someone who needs this message today. Because real health isn't found in extremes, it's found in the quiet, sustainable ways we learn to take care of ourselves every single day.